how to control your Mac, your Windows, or your Linux directly from your iPad. Now what you want to do is first look at your iPad screen. It's in the bottom left. I think you should see it by now. Anyway, go to your App Store, open your App Store, launch it up, and search for Splashtop. Once Splashtop comes up, it's SPLACHTOP. Click on Splashtop 2 Remote Desktop. It says here it actually costs $19, but something happened recently. They got a breakthrough of that many downloads, so they're giving it free. Get it while you can. So download the free version right now, and once you do that, go and open it. Once you open it, it takes to the screen like this if you've already installed it and logged in. Something which looks like this means the computer is available. One which looks like that means the computer is not available. Now I'll of course make both unavailable for at the moment. Okay, so I was just saying, if you don't have an ID yet and you want to log in, the first page you'll be taken to says enter an email. Enter any random email address. I don't even think it matters if the email address is real, but just enter a real one and type in the desired password for the application. Once you do that, please go to the Mac or Windows or Linux, go to your computer and go to splashtop.com. Once you go to splashtop.com, you'll be taken to a page which looks like this. Of course, it's not fully loaded, like this. Just say get streamer and it should start the download immediately. Take some time. I already have the download, so I'm going to cancel it. Now let's go to your downloads and search for the Splashtop. It's called Splashtop Streamer, whatever version, whatever computer version.dmg. Open it and install it, agree to the terms, and once you do that, it should open up. But since I've already done it and I'm not doing it now, I have to manually open it. So I'll go to Splashtop Streamer. It takes time to open. It opens on the top over here, not down here. It becomes completely black when it's open, like this. Now, I'm going to connect to the computer now. Of course, there is a small problem. I don't know why. I've done 2 recordings, once successful, once failed. When you control your computer from your iPad, QuickTime Player automatically quits for some reason. If the same thing happens here, I can hopefully record properly, but if not, you might find that things are happening on the computer faster than what happens on the iPad. And let's see if it works. Click on the MacBook. It's connecting to the computer. For some reason, QuickTime Player for some reason quit. Anyway, so this is how it looks. I can control my MacBook from my iPad. Like, I'll open QuickTime Player to see if it's actually recording. It, of course, takes a little time on the iPad because it works through the internet, and sometimes things does not actually show. Because it's recording, of course, it won't show at all at the moment. So let's minimize it on the computer itself. Now I'll tell you a little things on how to use it. Now, sorry about my finger in the way. Let's get that potion. Okay, so click on this button here, and you can of course select this option, which you can move your mouse by just dragging your finger. This is a left click, this is a right click. So I find this one sometimes easier. And of course, if you're streaming to photos, you can click on this option here, and you can go to photos like this and up and down. It's like the pronouns on your keyboard. Let's hide it. And this is your keyboard itself. It brings up the keyboard if you tap that. And now I'll show you that a few applications actually work. Let's go to the search menu and type in GarageBand and open it. So you will see GarageBand is actually opening on the computer as well as the iPad, showing that actually works. It's not streaming because, as you should know, GarageBand shouldn't work on the iPad. by photo streaming it unless it's there on the comp, because I haven't actually downloaded the application GarageBand on the iPad, so I can't just stream flow things from the iPad to the comp. And so I'll choose an instrument. Again, guitar is my favorite, so I'll just say choose. Sometimes people find it hard moving around. You can just use the tap button. So let's create. It's loading the GarageBand project. One thing which does not appear on the iPad that actually happens in the comp is that rainbow signal on the Mac saying it's loading, because almost every Mac user hates that symbol. And it's opened up. So if I want, I can of course say kind of how to use GarageBand. I've actually never used GarageBand before. So since I suck at GarageBand, I don't think I'm going to do anything. If you do know how to use GarageBand, please send me a video on how to use it. I want to use GarageBand, but I really don't know how to use GarageBand at all. So I really don't want to save this. And in small, simple terms, it's actually that easy. It's fun to use around sometimes. And I don't know if it works yet. I've never tried it. But it says if you sign up to or Splashtop using a Gmail account, you can actually use your computer from far away distance. What it says is, right now I live in India. It says if I sign into my Gmail account, I can use my Gmail I can use Splashtop on my iPad and control my MacBook, which can be in the US. So if I'm in India, my MacBook's in the US, if I'm signed into Gmail, I can actually use this application to control my MacBook there. I have not tested it yet. I don't plan to for some time. If it does work, guys, please comment below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you find any cool apps like this, please notify me so I can help everyone else. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.